Hi guys, sobrang putla ako ngayon. Kasi magta-try ako ng Dazzle May Inglass Lip Tint! Balita ko ganito pala kayo mag-live selling sa TikTok ha, pues gagayahin ko kayo! Unang shade ay Femme Ink! Ito talaga yung pinaka-perfect na shade for me! Tingnan nyo gano'n siya ka-pigmented. That's just one swipe. Look at that pigment! Look at that pigment! Sobrang, kapal. Sobrang glossy pa. Itatry ko rin ang 4 na shades. Don't you worry. Out of character ako doon. Hindi pwede. Dapat magaya natin sila. Dapat hindi tayo magpapatalo. Okay, so we have Allure Ink. Para to sa mga babaeng, huy, Tira? Hello, Tira? Pero hindi negative the Tira. Yung parang mature lady, full of wisdom, full of happiness in her head. Like that. Look at that. It's pink. It's a mature pink. Toasty ink. One of my favorites. Very, oh my God. Doctor, help me, doctor. Ooh, it's giving strict registrar. We have Amber Ink. Ano to? Oh, it's giving autumn season, fall sa Pilipinas. Very that. Thanksgiving dinner. Very that. Fresh ink. Para to sa mga, kasi, hindi ko kasi kaya talaga. Parang, it's giving bata. It's giving fresh energy. It's giving wide-eyed, manic pixie dream girl na love yung life. Very that. I'm describing myself. Wow. For me din to, isa dito sa favorite ko. Guys, it's only 149 pesos. Add to cart nyo na to. Ngaw na! Lip tint baka mo, ito na yon. My lips way better baka mo, ito na yon. Long lasting lip gloss baka mo, ito na yon. I-add to cart nyo na to for 149 pesos lang.